Hello everyone, a quick video on how to record a video right within Canvas. So you're going to start at this assignment and click Start Assignment. Next you have a series of options here. You're going to go to Media and then you're going to click on Record Upload Media. Now at this point, if you need to record it on the computer, that's where you're going to do it in this tab. Or if you did record it on your cell phone, then you can upload it in this tab right over here. So you're probably going to have to give it permission to access your camera and your microphone. Okay, so now I actually have this to where I want it, and now I'm going to start the recording. I'm going to click Start Recording. It will give you a countdown. This is a test, 1, 2, 3. I'm going to click Finish, and now I'm going to say Save Media. This might take a few minutes depending on how fast or slow your computer might be. Once you're done, you're going to see this icon right here, and you are ready to submit that video. All you have to do is click Submit Assignment, and you are done with the Uniquely You video assignment. Thanks, guys.